foundation set in crimson grace. We stand upon the price He paid. Every chain has lost its grip. What the Lamb declared complete, no shadow can undo. What He finished on that cross now comes alive in you. This is how we win. This is how we win. By the blood of the Lamb. This is how we rise. By the truth that we speak. He is the foundation. We declare the response. This is how we win. By His blood. By our testimony. You overcome because you speak. Rivers rising from your belly. Your testimony shakes the earth. Heaven breaks the veil asunder. What the Lamb secured in love,
Your voice now sets in motion.
victory flows through every breath.
Your words become devotion.
This is how I
This how I win.
By the blood of the Lamb. This is how I rise. By the truth I dare to declare. He is the foundation. I speak the response. This is how I win.
By His blood.
By my testimony. Cause His blood speaks louder.
We overcome.
And our voice grows bolder.
We overcome.
Every power, every darkness.
We overcome.
By the blood, by our testimony. By the word He is placing your hands. The cross is the foundation. I'll praise the response. This is how we win.
By His blood.
By our testimony.
Oh,